Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to find your Clash Royale player tag. First, launch the Clash Royale app on your phone or tablet. Once the game loads, look for the 3 horizontal lines icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to open a menu. From this menu, you will then select the Settings option to proceed to the next step. After opening the Settings menu, you'll see your in-game name prominently displayed. Tap on your name to access your personal player profile. This profile screen contains all your essential game statistics and information. Directly beneath your username, you will find your unique player tag. It begins with a hashtag symbol, followed by a series of alphanumeric characters. Your player tag is a crucial, unique identifier for your Clash Royale account. Think of it as your personal ID number within the game. It always begins with a hashtag symbol, followed by a combination of letters and numbers. This tag is essential for various functions, such as joining clans, checking statistics on third-party websites, or sharing your profile with friends. Once you've found your player tag, you can easily use it. To copy it, simply tap on the tag itself within your profile screen. It will automatically copy to your device's clipboard. You can then paste it into messages, websites, or other applications. This tag is incredibly useful for sharing your progress, finding other players, and exploring detailed game analytics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.